makeup channel. Long time no see guys, so miss you. And today we gonna do something extraordinary because we gonna do unboxing. And yeah, see the box, you see it from Futa Industry Shenzhen guys, so from China. So we open together. Ta-da! It's iPhone 14 Pro. So I just ordered this from the Apple website, and this one is like 14 Pro. Let's see how it looks, guys. The touch of the finishing of the box is so nice and crisp, matte a little, very nice, right? So we're gonna open it up together. See it closely. Sound like I play a poker game. See how nice of the colors, guys. Space black colors. If you see here, you see the logo, the apples, right? And 3 camera lens. Let's see something else first before we go to the main iPhone. So here the box comes with the manual, which is designed by Apple in California. And what we're looking for, guys, is the charger. What we have right now is so pink, because one side is the Apple port as normal, another side is Type-C, guys. So if anybody also use iPhone before, you should have the one USB, right? So you have to buy another new charger. I bought this in Hong Kong. If you can see, it comes with the manuals and also this, the SIM pin. I know, like, if you buy in USA right now, no need to use any of this guys anymore, but here still need to use the SIM card. Here the stickers. If you buy in USA, they use the easier, it's no more this thing, so it will be more flattering. And the charger, you can see here, is the normal iPhone charger port with Type-C.
Bruh.
And then we come back to the phone, guys. So color is so nice, matte finishing look with the shiny of the Apple logos here, and 3 cameras. Back to the phone. Silence mode for the volume 1, power button. Peeling, guys. Come closer. Gonna see the logo show up together, guys. 1, 2, 3. Is it? At the same time, seeing screen is popping up. Whoa! Hello. First one, guys. You see here the island button that they are created for this version, you know. So this one is not only normal simple black color, but it can be small, it can be movable. It's playful. Cameras here is a little bit bigger than like 13 Pro. There is some sensors here and flash. What I didn't like about this one is the side of it. You can see a lot of fingerprint is there already. If you want to use it without a case, it's gonna be the case. But if you buy a case, it will not be any problem. Because right now I'm touching it all over and a lot of my fingerprints are there. Except this finishing, the matte one, is feels so nice, guys. For this, I'm gonna set up and I'm gonna use this phone to take a photo of my makeup and another video, guys. And let's see how the quality of the picture and the video from this iPhone. I bought like 256 gigabyte, and this one is cost 9,399 Hong Kong dollars. It's